Nature log number 3. Whoa, look at that water. Yeah, that's a creek. What's that? See if we can go find some turtles. Oh! Scrap. There's even a damn beaver out here now and then. It's really weird, creek going backwards. Woo! Scared me. Oh, there's a turtle right there. Hopefully you can see it. Not a very big one. But, you know, out here in the beautiful nature of my backyard. Woo! So beautiful, peaceful, quiet, especially in the mornings. Whew, pretty flowers. Once again, there's the go-kart track, fire pit. Even got wild onions over here. How crazy. Freaking thorn trees. Look at that. Look at that. Look at them daggers. Woo! Look at that bad girl. Look at that. Had that go through my shoe before. Not fun. Freaking onions, flowers. Even a bumblebee. The beauty of the sunset tells us something each day.